If you have a pet or you are used to using semi-cooked meats, you may be infected with cestuda tapeworms, which may cause weight loss and even malnutrition in addition to the intestinal infection and abdominal pain it causes. Hello. I hope you are healthy. Today, I will introduce to you about 10 important symptoms of people who are infected with cestuda tapeworms and 5 natural and herbal remedies to clean the stomach and intestines from these worms. Do not miss the video, which is definitely useful for you. But first, let me explain a little about cestuda worms. Cestuda or tapeworms are a group of parasitic worms that live mainly in the intestines of animals and humans. These worms have a band-shaped body, whose body is made of many parts called proglottids, and these worms cause infection in their host. Because cestodes live inside the intestines of humans or animals, they feed on the food that is in the human intestine and can cause serious health problems. But how do humans get cestuda worms? Humans usually become infected by eating contaminated food or by drinking contaminated water. In some cases, contact with feces of infected animals can also lead to the transmission of these worms. After the worms enter the body, they have claws in their heads called scolex with which they attach themselves to the wall of the large intestine and continue their lives and lay eggs. And they use the food of the host and can cause disease symptoms. Diagnosis methods. Diagnosis of cestode worms usually includes the following methods. 1. Stool test. The doctor may examine the stool sample to identify eggs or parts of the worm. 2. Blood test. The amount of white blood cells and changes in antibody titer and signs of infection in the blood may be checked. 3. Imaging. In some cases, the doctor may use imaging methods such as ultrasound or CT scan. Below are 10 common symptoms of these worms. 1. Abdominal pain. Affected people usually experience pain or discomfort in the abdominal area. This pain may be due to intestinal irritation or gas accumulation. 2. Diarrhea. Egg laying and production of feces by worms can lead to persistent diarrhea. 3. Fever. In some cases, the infection may lead to a mild fever. 4. Weight loss. Cestodes feed on the host's nutrients and may cause abnormal weight loss or weakness. 5. Fatigue and weakness. Due to the lack of nutrients in the body, affected people may feel general fatigue and weakness. 6. Allergies to foods. Some people may be allergic to foods that they used to eat easily. 7. Nausea and vomiting. These symptoms are usually caused by stomach and intestinal irritation. 8. Increased appetite. Despite losing weight, sufferers may feel hungry frequently as the body tries to compensate for the lack of nutrients. 9. The appearance of protein in urine. In some cases, infection can lead to the appearance of organic amounts of protein in the urine. 10. Worm or parts of it in the stool. In more severe stages of infection, parts of the worm or even the worm itself may be seen in the stool. 5 methods of treating or cleaning the intestines and stomach with medicinal plants. 1. Use sweats once in the morning and once at night. 2. The use of a herbal composition called enguza. 3. Oregano. This plant can help treat infections due to its antimicrobial and antiparasitic properties. You can drink oregano tea. 4. Garlic. Garlic is known as a natural antiseptic and can help cleanse the intestines and stomach. You can consume raw garlic as part of your diet or use garlic extract. 5. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help relieve digestive problems and increase resistance to worms. You can add ginger tea or ginger powder to food. 6. Turmeric. This plant has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. You can use turmeric in food and drinks. 7. Curd and yogurt. Consumption of probiotics such as curd and yogurt can help the intestinal microbial balance and help recovery after infection. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it interesting.